If you're wondering what Law and Order is about, well, the Ice Cream update is one step closer towards it. You can't have Law and Order without having some chaos. Hi, I'm Gaz. This is our indie game, Amazing Frog, which we've been working on for about 11 years now. And in the latest update on Steam, we introduced ice cream vans, so you can sell ice cream to make some money. But what's the best way to make your business work? You need to find the clientele. One suggestion is maybe go and fill up a bus and bring a busload of citizens over to your ice cream truck. Also in this update, we fixed it so that when you beep the horn of a vehicle, the frogs are supposed to get in the car with you. And that happens more readily in this update because we've been working on, I want to call it intelligence of the frogs. The way the frogs behave is all part of what we're trying to do for Law and Order. There's no point having Law and Order if you can't make some chaos first. And the chaos comes from giving the frogs the ability to think about certain things. And in this instance, all they really think about is wanting some ice cream. Well, wanting some ice cream and, of course, grudging on the frog that's in front of them, getting the ice cream before them. So as we move forward, I'm going to have to program some type of frog that's going to need to restore some kind of law and order to a situation like this, so it doesn't get out of hand. So did I mention that we first put this game into early access over 11 years ago on Steam? What is it about the clowns? What was the point? Why did we put the clowns in the game? So the clowns only appear for a short amount of time. Not that it's not something we wanted to happen. It just always ended up like that. We never really made the clowns just to be a one-off thing. They were part of something larger, which we haven't finished yet. What's the point of the clowns? They're just like dumb and they just follow you around. If their main purpose is to annoy you, well, I think job done. We've been working on what we call intelligence for the frogs, and it's based on stimulus and their reaction to stimulus, but also prioritization of what it is they want to do, where they want to go, but also things like the way the sharks think. The sharks in this update, sharks will be more reactive to NPCs that have been thrown into the water. So one of the other things that we put into this update was a volcano. There are other versions of Swindon in the game which we haven't finished and released yet. And we have been working on a volcano, but Pungent suggested that we put a volcano in the game, and then Hal suggested that we took the volcano we were working on in the other world and put it directly into SwindonShire. So we started working on it. And we like the idea of just being able to throw anything into it and it then immediately throwing something out. Like everything we make in Amazing Frog, it's always the beginning of something else. The volcano is leading us to something else. We don't always know where it's going to go, but think of it like a big, fiery, magical mystery toilet. We're quite excited about what we can do with the volcano and where it can lead. for Amazing Frog. What am I trying to say here, Harry? How do I sign the video off? Thanks for watching and listening to me talk about Amazing Frog.